In this video, I'll show you how you can customize the recording settings using the NVIDIA application. Now let's say if you want to record your gameplay using the NVIDIA, you can simply customize or tweak these settings to suit your needs. Now all you have to do is launch the NVIDIA application on your PC and then click on settings and ensure that this option, NVIDIA overlay, has been enabled. And once the option has been enabled, simply press the keyboard combination buttons that appear to bring up the overlay. And then from here, select Instant Replay. Now at this point, you can choose to disable this or disable it, whichever you choose. Keep in mind that enabling it will limit the length or the recording length that you'd like to record for that particular video. So let's say, for instance, you have enabled Instant Replay. You can simply select Configure, and you cannot choose the recording length that you'd like to record for that particular gameplay. So if you want to change the recording length, simply disable this option and then select Configure Video Capture. And then from here, you can adjust the length of which you'd like to record your gameplay for. You can also change the output format, which you can choose either the quality by setting it to low, custom, medium, or high, whichever you choose. And also you can choose the resolution depending on how capable your PC is. You can choose from either 360p to around 8K depending on your computer. And also you can choose in-game, which allows you to record the in-game resolutions that you've set within the in-game settings. You can also choose the frame rates that you'd like to use. You can choose either 30, 60, or 120 FPS, depending on your computer. And also you can choose the bitrate MPS. So depending on which resolution you choose, you can simply adjust the bitrate to suit your needs. Now, once you have customized the recording settings, you can simply exit. And now you can successfully start recording any gameplay that you'd like to record on your PC. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, leave them down in the comment section below, and I'll see you on the next one.